friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Abby. So today I will be making another recipe which is called the Scotch egg. So grab your seats and come with me, let's make it together. To get started, I have here egg wash, flour, sausage, breadcrumbs, boiled eggs, paprika, garlic, pepper and salt. Add your paprika, the pepper, then mix it together. Dip your boiled egg in the flour. Get some sausage, flatten the sausage, then wrap the sausage around the egg. Dip each of the rolled egg in your egg wash, then dip it in the breadcrumbs and back to your flour and set it aside. Do that for all. Add your oil in the deep pan to fry it. In the heated oil, add it, then fry it till it's golden brown. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment for more recipes. Thank you.